Welcome to this presentation on social network and mining. I am Sumit, and today we will explore how data from online interaction can reveal powerful insights about human behavior, relationship, and influence. Social network mining is the process of analyzing relationship and interaction among people, organizations, or entities in a network. It combines techniques from data mining, graph theory, and machine learning to extract meaningful patterns from platforms like Twitter and LinkedIn. It helps to understand how connections shape behaviors. Social network mining is important because it impacts multiple domains. Business use it for marketing and customer engagement. Researchers study to analyze human communication and disease spread. Governments and organizations apply it to detect misinformation, enhance decision making. Ultimately, it bridges data and social networking. Social network consists of nodes representing connection between them. We also use measures like degree centrality to find influential nodes between us to understand communication flow and community detection to identify clusters of closely connected users. This is the basic uh, things present in this. First is the node and age, then second is the graph, different types of graphs such as directed, undirected, weighted, bipartite, multiple bipartite. So this helps to connect between the different nodes to helping to getting the data from one node to another node. So this can be detected with the help of the centrality. Centrality is a type of thing which shows that how many nodes are actually present in this. Several analytics techniques powerful social media networking. Community detection identify groups with strong internal links. Link prediction estimates potential future connection. Classification algorithm helps to categorize nodes or age-based behaviors. These techniques works together to reveal hidden structure and trends in complex network. For example, if we have different types of the communities, first we have to directly identify on some of the content, and then we have to predict links, then we have to classify the nodes, then the model influence, and then we have to analyze text and networks. There are the different types of the data collection methods. Some of the methods are described here. Collecting network data involves multiple sources. API from the social media platforms provide structured data. Web scraping and survey helps get additional insights. However, ethical and privacy concerns are crucial. Data must be collected responsibly and secure to protect user rights. The first method is the platform. Platforms such as the different platforms are present, uh, such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, so Google, so where we can directly find the data and to finding the data from the website, we are using the web scraping. Other platforms are also present, such as the structure in unstructured ways. And the other thing is that the government also provided some of the data. So it is depend upon the type of the condition we are providing from user side. Social network mining has broad application in marketing, in identification, influence, and predicts product diffusion. In healthcare, it tracks diseases spread, patient interaction. In finance, it detects fraud and inside trading. It's also used in HR analytics, smarter city planning, truly versatile field. Uh, in different fields such as the marketing recommendation, social proofs, public health, contact tracking, finance, anti-money, knowledge mapping, team design, change management, and vulnerability analysis. Smart cities, mobility networks, infrastructure, resilience, resource distribution, and community engagement. These are some of the applications which is broadly used in this type of the mining. So the basic overview of this application we can understand in the different domains. So each domain has its own impacts and powerfulness. So it's directly proportional to the requirement we are gathering from the user side. So the next topic is about the challenges. So what are the challenges we are facing currently in this system? So first is the privacy and re-identification risk. For example, the data are coming from the websites, or we can say that the server. So sometimes the servers are not protected, so this can be easily hacked by the hackers. Second, the data quality issues. Sometimes the data are in very raw format, unstructured. uh, Unstructured, the data is not in the uh, analytical accuracy to finding the good insights from it. Third is the platform API changes. If the API will be changing the data regularly at that time, the quality of the data we are getting, which is not so much good. Fourth is the temporal dynamics over the time, creating the challenges for the static analysis and the casual inference. And the fifth one is the scalability. So the data is very large to accumulated in a single database server, which is very difficult for the uh, backend sider to handle it very properly. So sometimes it get the scalability issues. To conclude, social networking mining stands at the intersection of data science, psychological, and artificial intelligence, unlocking how relationships and information flow through digital ecosystem. By analyzing nodes, edges, community structure, we can uncover hidden influencer, detect behavioral patterns, and understand how ideas, opinion, or even misinformation is spread across society. These insights gained from social network mining are not just academic, they are directly impacted through the business. To conclude, social network mining stands at the intersection of data science, psychological, and artificial intelligence, blocking how relationship and information flow through digital ecosystem. By analyzing nodes, edges, and community structure, we can uncover hidden influences, detect behavioral patterns, and understand how ideas, opinion, or even misinformation spread across society. The insights gained from our social networking mining are not just academic, they are directly impact business intelligence, public health, cybersecurity, and policymaking. Organization can make how data-driven decision based on real human interaction patterns such as the rather than the assumptions. Looking forward, the future of social networking mining will focus on several existing directions, integrating real-time network analysis using streaming data, improving algorithm transparency to combat bias, and enhancing data privacy framework to ensure ethical use. With advancement in generative AI, graphical neural network, and multi-modal analysis, we are moving forward towards the future where networks are understood dynamically, predicts not just what peoples are connected, but how and why their connection involved. In short, we understand what is all about this about the data, how the data can plays a important role. In future, we can say that the data will play an important role for collecting the important information, uh, for the pattern insights, for the decision models, and different types of the insights. So the data would consider an important role in this behavioral patterns. To understand with all this, we have to looking forward. The future of social network mining will focus on several existing directions, integrating real-time networking analysis using streaming data, improving algorithms, transparency, combat bias, and enhancing the data privacy framework to ensure ethical use. With advancement in generative AI, graphical neural network, and multimodal analysis, we are moving towards a future where networks are understood dynamically, predicting not just what people are connected, but how and why there are connections very important. So we have the different nodes of the data are stored in the different servers, so each servers are connected through the edges. So this is the whole network about the graphical representations also. So in short, we are in essence, social network mining is not just about understanding the networks, it's about understanding the people, behavioral pattern, sentimental analysis, graphical representation, understand the communities, and the force that helps to connect us in the digital age. So the data will be a next important tool, or we can say that the weapon for upcoming future. So this is all about the data. social network data. So this helps to understand all about this thing. Thank you for your attention.